How to get WhatsApp Meta AI. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get WhatsApp Meta AI so you can start using the AI features on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the WhatsApp. Open Google Play Store or the Apple Store and check if there's an update on WhatsApp. Now, if there is simply an update, simply update it. Now, if you can't see the Meta AI features yet, you might need to join the WhatsApp beta program. On the Google Play Store, look for the Join Beta option, or on the App Store, keep an eye out for new features after updates. Now, once you have the app updated, open WhatsApp and go to your settings by tapping on the settings and look for the AI or Meta AI options over here and simply enable it. Now, after enabling it, you can simply start using Meta AI in your chats. The AI features might include things like automatic reply, suggested response, or even advanced features like text to speech or translation. Just start a chat and you'll see the AI suggestion pop up. Now, if you're not seeing AI features after updating, simply try restarting the app on your phone. Also, ensure your WhatsApp is connected to a stable internet connection to load all your new features properly. And that's it. You now know how to get WhatsApp Meta AI and start using its awesome features.